Okay, what kind of solder do I use? This is just something I picked up. I always use a 6040 and a rosin core. So the rosin core is key. That's what you want. That's key. This is a cool little dispenser. This is just, really nice little way of keeping the solder. Whoever invented this is the stuff. So anyways, there it says 60% tin, 40% lead, and just fine electrical rosin core solder and dispenser, low melting alloy, Jersey City, New Jersey. Shout out to the New Jersey boys. So anyways, and girls. I think I have a couple girl viewers. Anyways, that's what the analytics say anyhow. So anyways, yeah, this is the kind of solder I use. All right. Click like on the video and subscribe. All right, take care. Bye.